Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another decorate with me video. I know I love this type of videos. So you guys, this video was pre-recorded the same day that I record my decorate with me for the mantle. So yes, hence we're in the same PJs. Anyways guys, today I wanted to share how I decorated the entryway for fall. This year, I honestly didn't go crazy. I wanted to use items I already have at home. So you're not gonna see a super fall looking entryway, but I kind of show you how to transition from the summer decor to the fall. Easy and breezy. So guys, right here we're standing looking at the entryway, and this is the entryway table. I haven't touched anything. This is how I left it when I went down to Florida. For the summer, I just put my orchid there. The candle holders, I left whatever we have from the previous holidays and Christmas and stuff like that. So I haven't really touched this space, and honestly this time around I'm not planning to do much here. So like I said guys, I'm gonna be keeping the same decor. I'm just gonna add a few fall touches. So here you see me wiping down the surfaces. The first thing you want to do is clean your areas. Story about baby J, he's right here with me while I'm doing the voiceover. Anyways, I'm going to be adding these books, as you can see, to give my little floral arrangement, my orchid, a little bit of height. So I added my Chanel and my interior. I forgot the name of that book. But yeah, so I'm adding those two books right there. So then I'm going to go ahead and place my orchid right on top of the books. And also I'm just going to add this beautiful pumpkin that I got from Home Goods for $15.99 last year. And that will be my touch of fall, you guys. You see how I use everything I already had, and it's just incorporating little touches of fall throughout. I still like how glam and clean it looks. So I'm really pleased with the outcome. For the other side of the entryway, I have this cedar that you guys know. I have this from Marshall's. It's been a few years that I have it. All I'm doing here is playing with some throw pillows that I used actually last year in my living room tour. I think I used this on my fall decors last year, and I really love that blanked out pumpkin pillow. It's so glam, and I think it works perfect on this space, and it makes the space look different this year. So thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Hope I gave you some inspiration.